Mukhang bubuti ang magiging relasyon ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos sa pamunuan ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Pangulong Donald Trump. Ayon yan sa isang eksperto. Maaari daw dahil ito sa hindi pagbatikos ni Pangulong Trump sa kampanya laban sa illegal na droga ng gobyerno. Ang report mula kay JC Gotinga.
Napansin daw ng ilang Amerikanong scholar, nagbago na ang tono ni Pangulong Duterte kapag pinag-uusapan ang Amerika.
I detect that President Duterte had taken an opportunity to do a bit of a reset after President Trump was elected. And these two guys have a lot in common. Their approach, the basis on which they were elected.
Nagkasundo na raw agad ang dalawang pinuno noong magkausap sa telepono matapos manalo sa eleksyon si Pangulong Trump. At mukhang seryoso raw ang imbitasyon ni Ginoong Trump na magkape sila ni Pangulong Duterte sa Washington. Nag-click daw ang dalawa dahil hindi binabatikos ni Ginoong Trump ang laban kontra droga.
With that, you can see that there's already a softening, if you want to call it that, between the relationship. Because that was really the key issue involving both the United States and if you remember, that's exactly why he got angry at Obama and Obama canceled the meeting. So that's all finished now. So we have a totally different scenario now.
Sang-ayon si Philippine Special Envoy to the US na si Babe Romualdez sa opinyon ng mga scholar na mananatiling buhay ang alyansang militar ng dalawang bansa kahit na binawasan ni Pangulong Duterte ang balikatan exercises.
This relationship's been going on for 70 years and this military alliance, in fact, some people in the armed forces have told me that their manuals are all based on US military exercises.
Ayon sa Southeast Asia expert na si Ernest Bauer, hindi pa man malinaw ang foreign policy ni Ginoong Trump, maaasahang itutuloy niya ang rebalance to Asia ng Estados Unidos.
I would actually suspect we'll see more determination from the Americans on the South China Sea, sort of a bit of a harder edge towards the Chinese. And I think that's going to cause a little bit of a bumpy road, to be honest with you.
Dagdag ni Bauer at ni Romualdez, posible raw na magkaroon na muli ng joint Navy patrols sa South China Sea. Ayon kay Bauer, mahalaga raw na magkapresensya na muli ang Pilipinas sa pinag-aagawang karagatan. JC Gotinga, CNN Philippines.